Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can join the Roblox Evade Discord server. So just load up Discord and we wanna press on this plus icon right here at the bottom of the server list. Then we select join a server and this is what you type: discord.gg/ and you type 5u5 f lowercase w y-e dmk, and then you press join server. As you can see, welcome to Evade. Here you have to read through the rules. You can just close out of this. You must complete a few more steps before you can talk. We're going to press on complete right here. So just read through all of these rules. Almost every server has a rule list. Tick this and then you click on submit. It will require you to verify. So right here, you have to use, or you can use Blocks link. I have a tutorial on just how you can verify using Blocks link as a pinned comment. So just click on the Blocks link and follow the tutorial there. That's how you do it. That's how you join the Evade Roblox server. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.